小心啲，你哋可能會隨時整濕身嘅。
Welcome to the world-famous Jungle River Cruise. Please select your language, indicated by a sign above each of the turnstiles. Although some lines may look longer than others, the wait time is the same for each queue. Enjoy your adventure on the Jungle River Cruise today, and we warn you, you may get wet.
欢迎来到世界著名的森林河流之旅，请按照入口处上方标识的语言选择入口，并排队等候。有的队列可能稍微长一些，但是每个队列等候的时间是一样。祝您森林河流之旅愉快，听口当前有可能被指定是。
This may be how your life ends.
Atau maglingkod ah?
Sa
Hindi bang kita malingkod?
Front.
Mabasa.
sa front. Dito ka sa tabi ng driver.
Please come forward, please move forward.
Sa tabi ng
I will
driver.
teach you, let the fish will teach you.
Ah.
Mind your head, watch your step. Please move forward, by the way. Please move forward to the front. You will see on the box of it. In the middle is the VIP seat. You know what is VIP? Is view is perfect. Yeah. So please move forward, please. You may also sit on the gray area. Gray area. It is emergency exit. You may exit directly if you can. Please move and you have a seat in the back. Please be seated and have a seat. World famous Jungle River Cruise. I'm your skipper and swimming instructor. I'm Nick. Hi everyone. Alright, before we start, I have some safety instructions to tell you. Please remain your hands on feet and foot in the boat and don't move forward because there will have crocodiles to hit you, bite you. So can you see on your right hand side, there's a crocodile in the hole, isn't it? Please look at the right hand side. Okay, there's a crocodile and then it's Tyson's house security because Tyson's get out here and let's be seated. He went out and then he find it as a security. So if you want to find Tyson, you know how to find him. Swimming? No, because there are a lot of crocodiles. So just take the raft on your left hand side, and you may take the raft and find him and he's back. I have one more thing to tell you. Remind your personal track devices, by the way.
Mag-video ka dyan na.
Let's go forward and start our 4,000 miles journey with 5 centimeters and 10 momentum guys. But anyway, I got a shortcut, so we're the faster train. Okay, here we go. Can you see it on your left hand side? There's two elephants. One is the elephant mother and the other one is elephant baby. The mother is teaching the baby to play how to play his drum. So you won't get less wet just to learning how to play the drum. Alright, let's go forward. Do you see the elephant on the right hand side? There's an elephant brother and he's a lot of fingers because it's been a long time of iron. So we all have iron so that don't have a long time of bomb. Okay, let's go forward. There's an elephant too. There's an elephant their family's father. He's also taking a bath and then you let you anyone okay? You get wet? Okay, anyway. He broke our way, so we choose another way. And this way it seems so strange. It's an ancient temple.
Picture ka.
It's an
Spider.
ancient temple. There's a lot of spiders in there. We have one big spider, it's very poisonous. And then two big spiders, three big spiders, and then look at your right hand side. There's another spider on the right. Oh wow, so big. Okay, there's an elephant god in here.
Snake.
The king cobra is also very poisonous. So don't put your hand outside and then let them to bite you. His tongue is so long, right? Okay, let's go forward. If
So
you
many
see at the front,
spiders.
do you see the crocodiles? It's more clear if you see that because in 3 seconds of the others. First, they just have the reference and then they are still not paid out. So be careful. Don't put your hands outside because they like climb on the poles on your right hand side. Alright, let's go forward. There's the place, the campsite of Titan's good friend, Professor and James campsite. But I don't know where they go. The place is not. Oh no, if you wear yellow plastic, they will fight you because they will think you are a banana. Okay, please look at your left hand side. If there's a male zebras, right? Do you know how to recognize male zebras and female zebras? The male zebras are black is white and the females are opposite, white is black. There's also the second dangerous elephant on your left. It is the most dangerous elephant on your right. Alright, here we go. Okay, here's the hippo pool. The hippos are very huge and big. Check out the mouth, so they always crash up. You see the hippo? The mouth is so big and so smelly because the thing is deep well. And also, if you see the hippo and jump inside you, you come there. See? They'll be stuck here and they can't be moved. Okay, do you see the bamboos here? Yes, the bamboos and Headhunters Village. It is the recognized the place and it is the hunting result. So let's go quietly because it will take your time. So let's go quietly. Okay, let's go quietly. Don't let them see that I'm here. Okay, let's go quietly. Oh, no, they discover us. Let's go. Okay, do anyone get hurt? Do you have the dolls, the poison dolls? If you got the dolls, please give them to them because it's not the souvenir. Okay, here we go. Let's back to the dog and go on the front, go straight and back our dog. Oh, there's a little splash, but I think it's okay. Let's go forward, let's go, and almost right. Oh no, we can't go there now. Okay, let's move it Okay, let's move the other way. Oh no. As we can't go forward. There's a water splash over here. Okay, how about we'll try the back. No, it's back, let's go, we're stuck here. Oh no, we can't manage the fire, stop fire. No, he's very angry. We hold the fire down to the helmet. We can't manage it. Oh, he's so angry now. Just remember me. If you don't like the trip, I'm here and then pretend you didn't see me before.
Bye-bye.
Okay, there's an elephant baby. They come in and say goodbye with us. They say goodbye with them. Okay, please put your hand inside the boat, please. Please put your hand inside the boat. Okay, let's go. Remember, the tell you it's okay, the boat is stopped. Please remain seated. And because If you climb from the window, I think that you are mounted on it. Okay, we almost stopped.